Hi, I'm George Einters, Staff Applications Engineer here at Panduit. Really happy to be introducing to you a new product, the TX6A UTP Field Terminable Plug. This two-piece compact design makes it very easy to install and terminate in the field when applying to applications such as the wireless access point or security cameras. You'd also use this format when you're dealing with PoE lighting and other PoE devices. Let's take a closer look at the plug itself. The two-piece compact design of the field terminable plug consists of the wire cap and the plug housing. The wire cap is of a TG format or footprint. The TG wire cap is slightly larger than the wire cap used for the field terminable plug. You cannot use the wire cap from the TG jack when terminating the field terminable plug. You must use the wire cap specifically designed for the field terminable plug. When terminating the new field terminable plug, you'll be using a modified EGJT tool. The EGJT tool that you will be using is called an EGJT-1. You can identify this specific tool by the two ridges located on the front of the tool as opposed to the one ridge, and on the back side of the tool you will actually have the engraving of the EGJT-1. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the termination of the field terminable plug. If you know the TG jack and know how to terminate the TG jack, you will have no issues terminating the new field term plug. Using the exact same format and footprint, it's wired identically. In prepping the cable, you remove the jacket and any filler that might be associated with that particular cable. Remove the divider. Cut approximately 1/2 inch off of two of the conductors. Any two will do. Cable is prepared, ready to install into the wire cap. Following the color code on the wire cap, insert the two longer conductors followed by the two shorter conductors. Place the jacket all the way into the wire cap. I like to put a little bit of pressure on the strain relief, and then I go to my EGJT-1 and I finish the job by applying more pressure and making sure that that strain relief holds on to the wire cap. Next, place your conductors into their appropriate spots based on the color code. Be sure when you're untwisting your conductors not to untwist them too far, otherwise you're going to have issues with performance. Once the conductors have been properly placed into their appropriate spots, you then want to use your snips and cut flush to the wire cap itself. Once the wire cap has been installed and terminated, you then would take your plug housing, remove the protective cover, place it to the side. You'll notice on the plug housing itself, there's an actual latch. You would line that latch opposite of the color code of the wire cap and insert finger tight. Using your EGJT-1 tool, place the wire or the plug inside the tool. Now that we have a properly terminated field terminable plug, what do we do with it? Well, we can establish connectivity with our security cameras, or maybe some PoE lighting, or maybe a wireless access point. That's our TX6A UTP field terminable plug. And I'm George Einters with Panduit.